In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download and install apps on a Roku TV. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this is obviously going to work on a Roku TV or streaming device. It doesn't really necessarily matter. Essentially, go to the Roku home screen and scroll down until you see the streaming store option right here. Once you're on this section right here, go ahead and scroll over to the right to browse all available apps. Now, there's going to be a lot on here. Up at the top, you'll see all these featured apps right here. But if you scroll down, you'll be able to see more specific stuff. And you can use this little search option right here to search directly for an app that you want. For example, if I want to go ahead and install something like, YouTube TV, right? I would just search for YouTube, and then I'd see YouTube TV on here. I'd select it, and then from here I could go ahead and install it. Now, you may see a short agreement screen. If so, just hit agree to continue, and then the app will begin downloading and installing automatically. But it really is as simple as that. Whenever you do want to find that, just hit that home button. You'll be back to the home screen, and then you can just scroll down on the app section until you see it. But that is how you can download and install apps here on a Roku device. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.